Hey, did you hear about the iPhone 16 going to have a super cool mic that will make Siri smarter and better at AI stuff? That's what Ming-Chi Kuo, a famous analyst, says. He thinks Apple will use Siri as the main way to interact with the iPhone 16's AI features, which sounds awesome. Maybe we'll be able to create amazing content with just our voice. The new mic will also be better at blocking out noise and water, so you can talk to Siri anywhere and anytime. Kuo says that AAC and Gore-Tex are the companies that will make the mic for Apple. The iPhone 16 is not the only phone that will have AI features though. The Google Pixel 8 Pro already has some, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 might have them too. But Apple will probably do it differently because they like to keep everything on the phone for more privacy. And we might see some hints of that in iOS 18, which is coming soon. Imagine being able to call someone who speaks a different language and have a conversation with them without any language barriers. That's what AI Translate Call will do for you on the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra. It will give you audio and text translations in real time. But that's not all. Samsung Research has created Samsung Gauss, a powerful AI model that can help you with various tasks. It can write emails and summaries for you, create and edit images, and even enhance low-quality photos. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is also stepping up its AI game. He says that Apple will use new microphones on the iPhone 16 and possibly other devices to improve voice recognition and noise cancellation. This could make Siri smarter and more reliable. We're still waiting for more details on what else the iPhone 16 will offer, but we've heard some rumors already. For example, all models will have an action button that can launch apps or shortcuts, and a capture button that can take photos or videos. The screen sizes will also increase, and the Pro and Pro Max models will have 5x optical zoom cameras. One of the aspects of the iPhone 16 that has not been discussed much is the battery that will power the new devices from Apple next year. A recent report about Apple's plans for its battery suppliers suggests that the company is trying to avoid the shortages that have affected previous iPhone launches. The report, published by the Financial Times, says that Apple wants to increase its manufacturing in India and reduce its dependence on China. The company has asked some of its battery suppliers, such as Desay from China and Simplo Technology from Taiwan, to think about moving their iPhone battery production to India. Apple has been relying on China for most of its iPhone manufacturing for a long time. But in the last few years, the company has started to diversify its manufacturing to other countries, such as Taiwan, Vietnam, and India. This is partly because of Apple's worries about the US-China relations and how they could harm its business. Apple has also found that some of its manufacturing partners in India can help with supply shortages and inventory problems that are partly caused by relying too much on Chinese manufacturers. Every year, when Apple launches its new phones in the fall, there is always a high demand for them. But often, there are not enough phones to meet the demand. For example, after the iPhone 15 launch, both the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max had long shipping delays. Apple wants to make iPhone 16 batteries in India, but it might not be easy. The company had some trouble with iPhone 15 batteries getting too hot because of a software glitch. Apple fixed the problem with an iOS 17 update and also improved the design of the iPhone 16 batteries. They will have a different metal cover and a new connector to prevent overheating. The iPhone 16 batteries will also be slightly bigger than the iPhone 15 series. This means they could last longer on a single charge, but we don't know by how much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more news, reviews, and tips. You can also click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Cheers.